So guys, sharing is here one more experiment game on the LeetCode channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 652 by the name of find duplicate subtrees. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and in today's question, the diagrams are also being included in there are three examples. Okay, so in this all the three examples, there are the diagrams also be included. So we will be also be see the diagrams. Okay, so but anyways, let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, let's start to solve today's question. In today's question, we are solving our question number 652 by the name of find duplicate subtrees. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question, and this question in today's question there are some of the diagrams are also be included in there are three examples, and on the three examples there are the diagram has been included. So first of all we start from the question. First of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us. Okay, it has given me the root of a binary tree which return all duplicate subtrees. Okay, for each kind of duplicate subtrees, you only need to return the root node of any one of them. Okay, please highlight it as one word. Two trees are duplicate if they have the same structure with the same node values. Means two trees are duplicate, highlighted as word of duplicate, if they have the same structure with the same node values. Okay. So here you can say two trees are duplicate if they have the same structure with the same node values. Okay, so this is the question. So first of all we understand the, now let's, I hope you understand the question, what is the question is trying to say. Now let's see the examples. It is one first example in which he diagram, like it is like looking like a one tree. In first here he wrote in down one. Okay, let me give them no fill, red color. Okay, and give him the like this, in which he wrote down 1, 3 and then 4. If you see here, there's 2, 2, 4, 4 is highlighted, okay, in the blue color. If you see here, these words I'm highlighting with yellow color, these things are highlighted in box. This box color is blue. Okay, of these numbers, this 2, this 2, this 4 and this 4. Okay, why? Let me tell you. Here he given an integer array by the name of root, in which he wrote it down 1, 2, 3, 4 null, 2, 4 null, null and then 4, and the output coming 2 comma 4, and in one more bracket there is coming the output 4. Okay, it is one first example. Please focus the diagram also. Please focus on the diagram. Okay, so then we will be understand it. Okay, let's see the second one. In the second one there is the same as, if you see here, here he created 1, 2. Okay, and then here he 2, and then it is going to the 1, and these both 1 are in the light blue color, in the light blue color box. Okay, here he created one integer array by the name of root, in which he wrote it down 2 comma 1 comma 1, and then the output incoming 1. Now there's a third example. If you see the third one, so let's move to the third one. I hope you understand the both of these, first one and second one. Let's come to the third one. So if you see the third one, here he created a 1, 2. It is come under the 2, but here you can see it, if in this 2 and then this 3, there he created a one oval shape. Okay, here you can see it. It is looking like a X shape. Here he created, and here 1, 2 and here 1, 3 also. Okay, one like this type of shape it has created. Like, let me show you which type of, this type of shape it has been created. Sorry, I created a wrong shape by the mistake. Let me tell you which type of, where it is. Okay, now this type of shape it has been created. Let's write it down, this type of, in this 2 and 3. Okay, in both of 2 of 3. If you see here, this 3 is in the light blue color, and these both 3 is in the light blue color, and this both of the 2 is in the light green color. If you see here. Okay, why? Let me tell you. Because here we have an integer array by the name of root, in which he wrote it down 2, 2, 2, 3, null, 3 and null, and the output is coming 2 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, so that's why. And there are some of the constraints, it has been also been included, some of not, only two constraints is also being included. Here you can see it, there are the two constraints also being included. Here you can see it, constraints. So I hope you understand both these first, second, third, all the three examples. So let's start to solve in the LeetCode website. And by the way, this question this is a medium one question, and in today's question there is the four topics included by the name of hash table, 3 depth first search and binary tree. So let's start to solve today's question. And to the 4,98,000 people have submitted it and only 3 lakh has been accepted. So let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode website. So first of all, we start from the class of a solution. Okay, define def, find duplicate sub trees okay, enter def, find duplicate trees self comma root optional tree node list optional tree node. Perfect. Enter press. Define your arms equals to square bracket count equals to collections dot counter enter def encode root and then semicolon optional tree node str means string, you all the people know. If statement not root, define your return in the semicolon. Okay, remove these things. Encoded equals to str means a string root dot val plus hashtag plus slash. And then when you do this all the thing, give the space encode root dot left plus hash plus slash enter encode root dot right enter back okay, full count encoded plus equals to 1 count and encoded and then 2 and then semicolon enter. Okay, arms dot append root and then give the space return encoded. Perfect. Okay, and now when we do this all the thing, give the space encode root return arms. Perfect. We have read about all the code. So last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been okay, it is giving me error in this line. Let's see what type of error. Let's zoom it. Okay, see come up. Okay, do the code up. Okay, right here define class of a solution. Now let's run and submit. So now let's see the running code. So now let's see the running code. So now running code has been accepted. The all triple cases are accepted. The case 1 is also accepted. Case 2 is also. Case 3 is also. Let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code is also be accepted, and I beat 100% people. Okay, in the tomorrow question, in the previous one question yesterday when we solved the question, we also beat 100% people. So it is our big achievement. Okay, So let's post the solution. So here you can see I posted it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, in which we have a question number 652 by the name of find duplicates subtrees, and it's a medium one question which we solve in today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So now let's meet in the next video, amazing video. But first of all, access my LeetCode camp playlist and bookmark it, and subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and okay. So let's meet you in the next video, amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.